Evolution of traditional employment. In today's digital age, the concept of traditional employment has evolved significantly. With the rise of the internet and the increasing demand for remote work, freelancing and online income have become lucrative options for many individuals. This article serves as the ultimate guide to understanding and thriving in the world of freelancing and online income. First and foremost, it is essential to comprehend the concept of freelancing. Freelancing refers to working independently on a project basis, rather than being tied to a specific employer. As a freelancer, you have the flexibility to choose your clients, set your own rates, and work from anywhere in the world. This freedom is a major draw for those looking to escape the confines of a traditional 9-to-5 job. One of the most crucial aspects of freelancing is finding clients. Building a strong network and reputation is vital for success in this field. Many freelancers start by reaching out to their existing contacts and offering their services. Additionally, online platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr provide a space for freelancers to showcase their skills and connect with potential clients. It is important to create a compelling profile that highlights your expertise and experience to stand out in a competitive market. Once you have secured clients, managing your finances becomes imperative. As a freelancer, you are responsible for setting your rates, negotiating contracts, and invoicing clients. It is crucial to value your work appropriately and ensure that you are being compensated fairly. Tools like FreshBooks and QuickBooks can help streamline your financial processes, making it easier to track income, expenses, and tax obligations. In addition to freelancing, online income streams offer diverse opportunities for earning money. One popular option is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services on your website or social media platforms and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Affiliate marketing requires building a dedicated audience and establishing trust with your followers. Another online income avenue is creating and selling digital products. This can include e-books, online courses, templates, or software. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Shopify provide easy-to-use tools for creating and selling your digital products. Utilizing your expertise in a specific field, you can create valuable resources that cater to the needs of your target audience. For those with a creative flair, freelance writing, graphic design, and photography are popular online income options. Many websites and publications are constantly in need of high-quality content, visuals, and images. Building a portfolio and reaching out to potential clients in these industries can lead to steady and rewarding online income. Finally, it is important to mention the potential challenges associated with freelancing and online income. The freelance market can be highly competitive, requiring consistent effort to stand out and secure clients. Additionally, managing your own business and finances can be overwhelming, as you are solely responsible for your success. It is crucial to stay organized, motivated, and adaptable in order to navigate the ever-changing landscape of freelancing and online income. In conclusion, freelancing and online income have become viable options for individuals seeking flexibility and autonomy in their work. By understanding the fundamentals of freelancing, building a strong network, and exploring various online income avenues, one can harness the power of the internet to create a successful and fulfilling career. With the right skills, dedication, and mindset, the possibilities for earning money online are endless.